New Year's Eve, got my autocannon shirt on. Oh yeah. Now just gotta finish getting ready, but what should I do to my car though? Happy New Year to everybody out there. It is 2025. Yes, indeed. We are in a new year. New year, new you, new me. You know what I'm saying? Kind of dressed to impress a little bit. You know, it's New Year's Eve right now, so gotta kind of dress up, party later on tonight. You know what I'm saying? But because dressing to impress, I kind of had an idea, and Extreme Online Store came through. Let's go. So thank you, Extreme Online Store, as usual, for the great, awesome products that you provide. And here's one of the latest and greatest right now. Yes, indeed, it says vent. So yeah, don't get mad, don't vent on me now. You know what I'm saying? But the vent in here is something it just takes my breath away. It actually goes with the fenders that I installed not too long ago. So let's open this box. So yeah, let's open this box and find out what's inside. And there it is, boys and girls, carbon fiber engine valve cover. Yes, indeed, that is a carbon fiber material. Look at that. Woo. Look at that shine. Oh man, that pattern, it's crazy. So yeah, I just want to dress the engine bay a little bit better. You know, like I said, got to look little bit better for 2025. So let's pop out the old style engine cover and put the carbon fiber engine cover right on top. Whoa. All right, so there's the engine bay. So we definitely need to change this because it's the red's kind of looking a little faded now, you know. Got to update it. The car is what, 5 years old now? So yeah, got to update that a little bit. So we'll put that carbon fiber valve cover and we'll see how that looks. So does anyone know the common size for these screws in here? So there's, I think, 4 of them here. Common size. Do you know? Drop it in the comment before I tell you. And the common size is, can you see that? 10 millimeters. There it is, 10 millimeters. Yes, it is 10 millimeters. So let's remove this cover using the 10 millimeter wrench. So let's go ahead and install this carbon fiber. Man, look at this shine. I'm telling you. That thing is clean. All right. So easy modification here. I know it's a little dirty, but you know, I'll clean up later. But for the sake of this video, I just put it right on top. And then those 4 screws back in those holes. Let's do that right now. And there's the final product, nice and secure. Look at that carbon fiber detail. Ooh, man, oh man, oh man, look at that. Now remember, this valve cover is actually meant for the FK8 and the FL5. So if you have any of those Civic Type Rs, that works and fits perfect. But make sure to check out Extreme Online Store. There's the website down below. I'll also include a link so you can check out all their stuff they have. They have for a lot of American muscle cars, from Corvettes, Fords, the Chevys, and all this fun stuff, and Honda Civic Type Rs, Honda Civic 10th gens, and much more, Toyota as well. So check out their website and you'll see all this cool stuff that Extreme Online Store carries. So as we look at the engine bay, we got the PRL style here from this intake, little gold wrap here. Now that carbon fiber hood, engine valve cover I should say, that 271 front strut bar up there. It's like the only thing I think I would modify now would be this coolant, because I mean it's getting, you know, that age is showing, that color, it's looking a little nasty. So only if I had a new coolant to replace that with. But hey, don't you worry. Why? Because I do got something. I do got something for that right there, yo. Right there. Right here, I should say right here. So just stay tuned for upcoming videos with that new coolant. You know, I'm excited to install that, but we won't get that for this video. Probably the next one, or maybe later on. You know, I gotta do these things a little slowly. You know, you don't want to rush art. You know what I'm saying? Perfection. It takes time to perfect something. So let's just take our time and install it when we can. But thank you again to Extreme Online Store for helping me out decorating my car to make it look better, run quicker, and just for this perfection, especially for 2025. So thank you for watching as well, everybody out there, the subscribers. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But it's time. It's New Year's Eve. It's time to go party. So I'm out. Let's go party. Happy New Year's, everybody.